Hi guys, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making Dominican Quipes, coming right up. Let's go over the ingredients. 1 pound of Bulgur wheat, I soaked it in water overnight. 3 pounds of ground beef. 4 tablespoons of sofrito. Salt and pepper to taste. 2 teaspoons of adobo, 1 packet of sazon, or if you know how to make your own sazon, 1 teaspoon of sazon. If you're interested in learning how to make your own sazon from scratch, I will put a link in the description box down below. As I said a few seconds ago, the Bulgur wheat soaked in water overnight. Now I just have to get rid of the excess water by squeezing it really tight and move it to a separate container. Once you have taken most of the water out of the Bulgur wheat, add 2 tablespoons of sofrito, 1 teaspoon of sazon, about half a teaspoon of salt, some black pepper, and mix it in well. Now we can set it aside and get the ground beef ready. 3 pounds of ground beef, 2 tablespoons of sofrito, 1 teaspoon of adobo, 1 packet of sazon, or if you make it at home, about 1 teaspoon of sazon. Half teaspoon of salt, and of course, black pepper. Proceed to mix all the seasoning with your ground beef. I can smell all the seasonings from the sofrito. I smell the onions, the cilantro, the peppers. Smells wonderful. Do not worry about overworking your meat. We're going to fry it, so it won't really matter. So don't worry. Now that your ground beef is seasoned, we're going to take half of the ground beef and mix it with the Bulgur wheat. Now we're going to mix it all together. After a few minutes of mixing, we can set this on the side. I am going to proceed to cook my ground beef for about 30 minutes over medium-high heat. If you want to see how I make my ground beef, I have a recipe and I will put it in the description box down below. We call it picadillo, but technically just what it is cooked ground beef. Guys, my picadillo is almost done. Please check out the other recipe in the description box down below. Or you can always make your ground beef the way you always have made it before, and that's fine too, no worries. Just add 1 scoop of tomato sauce. And this is about done. And the time has come for us to put the quipes together. Grab some of your wheat and beef together and make it into a ball. Then with 2 fingers, you're gonna make a dent and add your picadillo or ground beef. Go ahead and add some more on top. And it's time to close it. And that is my first Dominican Quipe. You can do that and make as many as you want. You can make between 20 to 22 quipes with this recipe. Here I have my oil over medium-high heat. And we're going to fry the quipes until golden brown. And here you have it, guys. Dominican Quipes. Enjoy. Guess what? Let's give it a try. These are really good. They're very crunchy. These Dominican Quipes are the best. They are delicious. Guys, if you enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching. These are good.